Welcome friends, welcome to Jayshree's kitchen. Thank you for tuning in today. And today all my recipes are based on no oil and no sugar. And I'm going to show you today Asian vegetable tofu wrap, which we truly enjoyed. And so I want to show you that. So what I'm going to do, I think I already posted my recipe and ingredients along with the video, so you can see that. And I'm going to start sauteing the tofu right now. So I took half of the tofu, so I'm putting in. And this tofu, I really don't want so crunchy and I don't want so soft. So I want in between. So, and I'm sauteing in veggie broth. You can take the veggie broth as needed. And while it's sauteing, I'm going to make a sauce. So what I'm using is, I already put all the ingredients there. So I'm putting this chili garlic paste. I'm putting sriracha. I'm putting soya sauce. I'm putting garlic. I'm putting ginger, and I'm putting, this is a no sugar, no salt, peanut butter. So I'm putting that. And really, I'm going to stir this. And if you need broth to stir more, you can use 1 tablespoon if you need to. So I'm stirring this sauce right now. And you can put a little broth if you need to. So, and really if you have an air fryer, you can use air fryer. But I'm not so sure everybody has an air fryer. So I am doing kind of, in the pan. So if you have air fryer, you can put it for 5 minutes. So 5 to 7 minutes, kind of to toast it anyway. So this is going on, and I already chopped tofu for you. I already did it before, so you can see it's going to look like this. So the tofu is cooking. So it will take you 5 to 7 minutes to toast the tofu, and you can flip it. So all my recipes are really healthy. It will make you lose weight. It will be really, you will become healthier, you will feel better. So I try my best to include the wholesome ingredients so you guys can enjoy it, and because eating should be fun. We cannot just count the calories all the time, what I mean. So really this tofu is going to still take 4 or 5 minutes more. So I think I'm going to put it on another thing and I'm going to start my recipe. So really this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start sauteing the onion. And again, I'm going to use the broth a little bit. So green onion is such a good thing, it's really, the taste comes out great with green onions. So we're going to saute at least 2 to 3 minutes over here. So all the flavor comes out. And really I think I'm trying to change the mentality of people not sauteing in the oil, because oil is so bad for you. Oil causes heart attacks. Oil really kind of blocks the arteries, and anyway, so oil is not good for you anyway. So really I try my best not to use oil in anything, and try to create all the recipes without oil and without sugar, and it comes out good really. So I am really so happy, and I'm not missing oil at all. You really will not miss oil, because once you start sauteing in the veggie broth, you will really enjoy it. Oil has no role in cooking really. That's what I figured it out in last 2.5 months. There is no purpose to use oil really. There is no role. We are all are brainwashed about oil. Okay, we have to use oil in our recipes. We have to. It will not taste good without oil. So that mentality, I want to change it among our viewers, and I want them to start not using oil in any recipes and start using veggie broth. I got veggie broth from Costco, which it comes in like 6-7 packs, 6 packs I think, and really which is very cost effective. And I always have a veggie broth in my house, so whatever recipes I'm making, I can make it. So this is the way the onion looks. So, and really I'm going to put, now I'm going to saute, I'm using the mushroom, and mushroom leaves little water, so I want to saute for a little bit at least, you know, to take all the water away. Mushroom and onion is so good for you. I think we should include in our diet every day mushroom and onion. It really very healthy, very nutritious. So I try to include in my cooking. So this is the way it's going to look. And then I'm going to put the sauce now. So I put the sauce, and now I'm putting the mushroom, the tofu, which I chopped it after roasting it. And I'm putting water chestnuts, which will become crunchy. So I don't have to use noodles or anything for the crunch. So I'm using water chestnuts for crunch. And then you really saute for, you know, until everything is mixed properly. This is a very easy recipe to make. It doesn't take that long. I always try to watch my timings too, because I don't want to give such a long recipes which people cannot, you know. So some days, you know, we are so busy, so we can make it really the fast meal and we can eat for dinner. So this is the way it's going to look. And now I am going to really make the tofu wrap in the plate. So what I'm doing, really, you can use, if you need to put salt, you can put little salt. I'm putting a little bit in case, you know, if you want it. So you can just go salt according to your own taste. Just put minimum possible if you can, because it's not good for you anyway. So what I'm doing is, I'm using the iceberg lettuce, and we just fill it in. Or you can use this lettuce, you know, or you can use butter lettuce. So really it depends upon what lettuce you want to use and what kind of lettuce you like. So I put it like this, and I put it like this, and this one. So it depends upon how you want to eat it, and you can just wrap it like this, and you just eat it really like this, or you can just eat it like this. Because I think when we go to Chinese restaurant, they give in the iceberg lettuce. So you can do the way you want. And this is my recipe. And thank you for watching me. I truly appreciate all your love and support. And see you in next video. Thank you.